Hey guys, I'm Kendall. We're at Bumbera's, and this is an 83 CJ7. So this was a complete restoration that we did last year. We did everything from paint, bodywork, interior, a little bit of mechanical upgrades like the MSD Ignition, alternator, and some other things to get it running smoothly. It's back in for some maintenance, so I thought I would give you all a little tour of the CJ7 and show you what we did. So we did all of the interior. We painted, put in new seats. We also put in this awesome JBL Bluetooth speaker.
We gon' get money. Them boys rich, but they not this stunning.
So in addition to all the exterior, the interior work that we did, the full restoration, we also put brand new 33-inch tires on it, as well as some nice chrome 15-inch rims. So that's it for the 83 CJ7 build. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put new videos out every week. What this here is a tire, folks. Hey!
Like a big shot, Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR freestyle. Fresh paint.